Doing well. Myself Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today our agenda how to create AWS free account. I will guide you all the step by step. And in our last video we have gone through about the free tiers account, and today we'll demonstrate like how we can create the free tiers accounts. Okay. So let's jump to the topic. I have created a small PPT. So let's just share that. So AWS Filters account. So whenever you will click on that AWS portal link, right? I will take you in that AWS portal link also. It will display you this exact this page, and it will give you like these are the option AWS Filters, create an account, and then what you need to do, you need to first click on that create an account. Then you need to provide these are the details like you need to provide like email address, password, confirm password, AWS account name, those things you need to enter in the portal. Okay, like this it will come like this is the email address and what the name account name, then verify email address, something like that. It will come in the next page. It will ask you like a little bit more details like these are the address, phone number, then city, those details also it will ask. Then and it had two options basically when you are trying to create an account, right? But two type of account, either is a personal account. And for learning purpose, you can create a personal account, or if you are running an organization or school, college, or maybe a small startup company or anything, then you have to create a business account. You have to select that. Okay. Then next step, once you fill this all the details and click, go to the next step, then it will take you in this page like sign up AWS, and here you need to give the billing details. So let me clear on this. Like billing details means you need to provide like your credit card details. Basically, we do want credit card, but keep in mind there will be no charge. But yeah, 2 rupees or initial transaction it will take you, and it will revert back to your again account until and unless you go for pricing option, go for like you take the subscription, like once the 1 year basically it will over, then if you extend your service, then only that charge will become. Otherwise within this 12 month there will be no charge. If you are using free whatever 12 month whatever like service will be free. If you are using those service, then there will be no charge. I will take you while I will guide you in our subsequent video while we are creating any service or EC2 or any services. There will be some option will be displayed in that AWS console page, which are free and which are not free. So you should keep in mind like while you are creating the instance or anything, any service, any other service. So you should always check, is it like within the 12-month free tiers or not? Otherwise it will be charged from your credit card. So that you have to keep in mind. Also, I in my subsequent next video, I'm thinking I will guide you like how to set up a billing stuff, basically some alert whenever some billing will generate, so that you can note, you should get some notification, so that you will be safe from billing part. So that like how to avoid those things, I will in my next video I will guide you that. So don't worry to give the credit card details. It will be fully secure in AWS, so there will be no problem. But 2 rupees charge will be there initially for verification purpose. Verification in the sense your credit card details, is it that valid or not? That they will verify by using that by deducting 2 rupees, and they again they will revert back to your account. So don't worry that. Next, it will give you like this is the I was talking about, right? 2 rupees they will charge, and you have to enter your OTP just to verification purpose. Once it is done, then it will come like this page, sign up page for confirm identity, right? Like whatever identity we are providing, right? So that also they will verify. So for that, what they will ask like your how you want to verify that identity, how you want to validate. Either here two options, either you can select like SMS option, or you can select the voice call. Up to you, and then you need to provide your mobile number here, which mobile number you want to use for your account. Then you need to select this captcha. Once you enter this, then it will send you, if it is a SMS, right? Then they will send you some OTP kind of thing. This is nothing but like a multi-factor authentication they are basically doing. So they will send some or notification to your some message like OTP to your mobile number. Then next page you have to enter that. Or if you choose the voice call, then by voice call they will validate your identity. Okay. So once you get the code, right, you need to enter that code in here, and then you have to click on verify code. So the code will be the 4-digit code, and you can see like that sent by from Amazon only. So be careful those like nowadays many fraud cases going on. So whenever you are sharing the OTP, you should careful that OTP came from Amazon or someone else. Okay, that thing you need to validate. Then once it is done, then it will come this page like which you want to select, like basic filters, that is 12 month, or you want some pricing like developer support, like here the charges will be, details will be there, like $20. And here charge, friends, one more thing, here charge will be the dollar. So there will, it's not a INR, it will charge, the all charge will come as a dollar. So that also like more costly, you know, right? Like $1 is almost nowadays more than 80 rupees. So that you have to keep in mind. Like $20 means it's like a 20 into 88 or 80 rupees, whatever it is there, that multiply by that it will come. It's not like 29 rupees. Then once it is done, your account creation, right? It will give you this page like congratulations, your account is done. So now you can go to the management console, like management console, where you can see all. I will take you in that page where you can see all the services which provided by AWS. Okay, so that is done. I think hope this will help to you to set up your account. So now I will show you in my console, like this is the AWS console, right? Once the account creation is done, right, you can sign in your like this. You can log in back. Let me show you that console. So it will ask you like your that root email address. Then it will ask you the password. I have already set up, right? So let me show you that console page how it will be look. So it will be look like this. So you can select which region you want to work here. Multiple region will be there. So as per your requirement, you can select that, and then it will here it will be the profile. Then you can see these all the details like services. Now recently I have viewed these all the services. So there are many services. So once you click here service details, so you can see like all the categories one by one, all the service. If you click on like computing service, then in the computing which all service is there, so it will come under there. And if you click on container, then container service will come, ECS or those things. If you click on database, then database services will come. Like this, all here many services is there. You can go through one by one, or I will take you in my subsequent video. Like a few of the service, like and I will show you like how like practically it will work, so that you can utilize in your organization, or maybe if you for learning purpose, how you can use those service. These are the service that I will guide you. So like storage service, like EFS, these are the services there. Okay, in my subsequent video I will give you one more session like all service overview, so that it will be a good clear idea. So next video I will give you like how to set up a billing part, like alert those things. Okay, so I think that's it for today's session. Hope this will help to you. And if you like my session, please subscribe my channel, so that it will motivate to me to create more video on this. Thanks.